How many cows? Can you count them? Momo, Bibi and Toto are counting animals on the farm today. Count with us. Here is how we count. Point at each animal, one at a time, and say the number. Ready? Look, dogs. Let us count them together. 1, 2. Yes! 2 dogs. Great counting! Look, cows. Let us count them together. 1, 2, 3. Yes! 3 cows. Great counting! Look, ducks. Let us count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes! 4 ducks. Great counting! Look, birds. Let us count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes! 5 birds. Great counting! Look, frogs. Let us count them together. 1, 2, 3. Yes! 3 frogs. Great counting! Look, bunnies. Let us count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes! 4 bunnies. Great counting! Now look! 2 cats here, and 5 ducks there. Which group has more animals? Yes! 5 ducks are more than 2 cats. 5 is bigger than 2. Your turn. Count the frogs all by yourself. How many frogs do you see? Did you say 4? Yes! 4 frogs. You are a super counter. We counted all the way to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great counting! You did it! You counted all the farm animals. Great counting, friends! Great thinking! Tap like if you had fun.